Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer, and I'm just sending a quick message back to Sid, who sent me this message that says, "Hi, I have a pair of Trickers Bourton. Is it possible to fit a Dainite sole to them, as I'm finding them a little bit heavy? And if so, what's the estimated price to do them? Many thanks, Sid." Well, the weight of a Tricker, it's not weighty, it's substantial. It's got a lovely weight to it, and it's right there at the end of your feet, and it sort of stops you falling over. It's a ballast for your feet. So, a Trickers Bourton. This is the Bourton, and obviously Sid has this either with the, in fact he doesn't, he must have it with the leather sole, because he's contemplating switching to the Dainite sole. Now, I prefer the Dainite sole, if I'm honest, because it flexes a little bit better, but it isn't necessarily any lighter than the leather sole. It might be slightly, but there's not a lot in it. If you've got a Tricker and you do find it a little bit heavy, the sole you need to go for is this one here. This Vibram light sole, and it's super light. This is on a Henry, a Trickers Henry, and the other Trickers Henry, the one that comes with the commando sole, yeah, you're nodding at that, and yes, it's half the weight. This sole is super hard wearing, lovely and bouncy and soft, doesn't have any of the weight of the commando sole or the Dainite sole, and it makes your shoes nice and light. We can do that for you here at the Shoe Healer. It's round about £80 plus £10 return post for the Vilite sole. Everybody's shaking their head at me, but I've just asked Paul. So that's the lighter option for your Trickers if you're finding them a little bit heavy. Don't go for the Dainite, don't go for the leather. Get the Vilite sole fitted, and you can go jogging in them.